gonna lie, that was a W fucking start. Actually, fuck it, we'll start the video like this. You got me trying to get it like, yeah, good looking. Alright guys, so it's that we're learning how to drive stick. Yo! Oh, he got the same shit as you. Yo, so we practicing though. I know how to drive. What you say?
I don't know.
How the fuck you go back? Hold on. Fuck.
Full clutch. Oh, he coming. He coming.
Go that. Oh, cruise over here, nigga.
What's up?
What?
Nah, it's a B18.
B18 series?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, niggas is learning how to drive though, I ain't gonna lie.
What happened?
I said niggas is learning how to drive it though. This
Word?
Yeah.
manual shit, I don't know how to drive that shit.
Yeah.
But, you know, we working.
Yeah,
Take shit.
Keep it clean though. I like it.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, bro.
Appreciate it.
Here.
Yeah.
Ah, shit. This is some.
Oh, he can't even go.
We out, man. It's a little dark, man, but
Nice mad light on the camera.
yeah, we use first time driving stick, man. So I can't tell ya, like, don't be mad, bro, if I do some shit wrong, because this is only like what, my second time
Without.
driving this car. Maybe I don't know how to drive stick, but oh, I forgot. I did it too. But I think I'm doing pretty good, man. So I'm gonna give you a little like tour. Not really a tour, bro. I don't really know how to drive this shit, but I can defend myself, like, I think I'm doing
But
alright. What do you think?
He's been good.
Yeah, I think I'm doing alright. Oh, niggas even got the light on. We driving over here without light and shit. I got it today, bro. I already get this shit, bro. The start is a little iffy.
Nigga has to do everything else.
Yeah, the start. Oh, that shit is fire. Nice car.
It's literally the start. That's fucked up.
Yeah, but
Everything else is
it's
chill.
pretty easy, bro. I mean, I already know how to drive, so everything else is easy for me. It's just the start. Other than that, like, you know, I already know how to like stop and all that extra so that the car don't turn off and shit. Maybe this should just be a POV. Niggas don't even be talking in them shits. Sometimes, but I mean, I don't talk about it. Yo! Oh, that's nigga Lewis shit. Nigga had Lewis car. Nigga probably rented it to the nigga. Yeah. But, like I told y'all, I've only done this like 2 times, but like me, I'm a fast learner type shit, so like I'm able to pick up things quick. And I mean, I've been driving for a while now, so it's not too hard for me to, you know, get the hang of it right away. But it's still hard just to start though, and you don't want to see me on a hill. That'll be bad day, yeah. Bugatti at, the way I've been learning, bro, is just by watching Richard practice, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. Oh shit, I let go too fast there. That's my bad, man. I almost did a donut. Front wheel drive. Oh, I let go too fast. I think your uncle will be proud though, yeah?
Popo.
Fuck yeah. Fuck, I gotta ease up on that. It's because I'm so close, man. He's all the way up here. So it's like from here, when I hit it, I should be out hitting it too much. I'll let it roll right here, man. Fuck this. That was nice, man. That was nice. What are these shit, man? Huh? Oh, it's gonna be red. Let me see. Some niggas, you know, some niggas don't know how to. Uh-huh. Oh shit, I didn't look over it. Because I was trying to do it slow, but I was giving too much gas. There we go. That's clean, yeah? How much minute it says on there?
7.
7? Alright, I'm gonna go up there and come back. Where Clara used to live, like, so I can get like a 10 minutes. Well, I know I don't look like a beginner, but I'm telling you guys, I just learned, bro. Like two, 3 times of watching. Yeah, there was a crazy accident that happened here yesterday. Not an accident. Somebody was running away from the cops, and he just jumped over everything. Next thing you know, I see 5 cops. It was like at 3 in the morning when I went to the kitchen to make the pancakes. Whoa, then they get started going crazy. I said, oh nah. The lights are on, right? Yeah, they are. Yeah, you like the blue light though? The blue light fire, right? Oh, dang. I can't believe we found another nigga that had the same cars. Oh yeah, we'll go like that. Come back, go to the crib. Alright. That shit. So when it's on neutral, you can just look.
This is like a hill.
Huh?
This is a mini hill.
Right here?
I think so. Yep.
That's alright. That shit. Oh guys, we're in a little hill right now. The
This
car-
one you can use the e-brake.
The car don't even better not get too close. Oh, it should be alright. Yeah, I think with this, I feel like you can't have this too bad because when you hit it, I feel like it gets too much gas. I think you gotta be in a spot where your legs are kind of flat. That shit. Hey, that's alright. I didn't go too far back. I'm getting the hang of it. I ain't gonna lie. I'm getting the. Yeah, I'm getting the hang of it though. Pero me estoy miando, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie. I got a pee so bad.